Pythagorean theorem. Pythagoras said that whenever you have a right angle triangle, that means one angle is equal to 90 degree. Suppose this angle is 90 degree, right? So this is a right angle triangle. Then he said that sum of, suppose this is the longest side C, we say it is C, and this is B, this length, and this is A. Then he said that hypotenuse square, that is C square, will always be equal to sum of square of other two sides. Sum of square of like A square plus B square. Okay, this always works in Pythagoras theorem. This always works in a right angle triangle. So suppose I give you a triplet. I say that C is equal to 5 and A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 3. Suppose I say this to you. Okay, then if I say this to you, then you can say that you can verify. You didn't know that whether it will make a right angle triangle or not. Then you will check. Is 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square? Then you will see. We know 5 square is 25 and 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. That means 25 is equal to 25. So this means yes, this is a right angle triangle. Whenever you see that you have a triplet, they are called Pythagorean triplet, like 3, 4, 5. So it works both ways. If you have any three numbers that follow this pattern, that square of biggest number is equal to sum of square of other two numbers, then that will always make a right angle triangle. Or suppose you have a right angle triangle, then they will always follow this rule. Okay, that sum of square of other two sides will be equal to sum of hypotenuse square. Okay, so I hope you are understanding it. So let us see one example. Suppose we have this example. Example number 1. They are saying find hypotenuse of a right triangle with legs 3 and 4. Okay, I will make a right angle triangle here for first, right? Okay, so legs 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. They are asking you to find hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means the longest side. Okay, so we know that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. You know what is the meaning of perpendicular? This is perpendicular. Okay, and this is base. This is base and this is perpendicular. You can say perpendicular, you can say height as well. Okay, usually we say this is perpendicular, this is base and this is hypotenuse. So whenever you will learn trigonometry as well, so these are these terms. Okay, so hypotenuse square is equal to p square plus b square. P square means 4 square, right, because p is 4, right? B square means 3 square because base is 3. So this is 16 plus 9, that is 25. H square is equal to 25. H square, what is 25? 25 is 5 square, right? That means H is equal to 5. Okay, so this is our answer. Hypotenuse is 5. So if they are saying 3 and 4, they didn't tell us the unit. If it was centimeter, then we will write centimeters here. Okay, always focus on the unit as well. So next we have ladder problem. A ladder is 13 feet long. So this is ladder. Okay, this is ladder. This is 13 feet long, right? And reaches 12 feet up a wall. This is a wall, right? It is reaching 12 feet, right? How far is the base from the wall? So we are supposed to find this thing, base. How far is this distance from the wall, right? This is a right angle triangle. Okay, so you will say that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, right? Okay, what is hypotenuse square? 13 square. Okay, 13 square. Perpendicular square is 12 square plus base square. Are you getting my point? I knew that H is equal to 13 feet and perpendicular is equal to 12 feet and base we need to find. Okay, always note down these things, whatever you have. Then out of these three things, 2 will always be given. Okay, then what do? Then you just substitute the values and find out the third one. Okay, so what is 13 square? It is 169. 12 square is 144 plus b square, right? Now 144 will go to his family member because he is missing. Okay, so 169 minus 144 is 25 is equal to b square, and 25 is what? 5 square. 5 square is equal to b square, that means b is equal to 5, and we are done. So that means what is base? Base is 5 feet. Here I should have written the unit as well. Okay, never forget to write the unit. So base is 5 feet. Okay. Then next we have is a triangle with side 4, 5, 7. Okay, suppose I draw a right angle triangle. Okay, or I don't know whether it will be a right angle or not. I need to check actually. Okay, so I have 4, 5, 7, right? So longest side I suppose say C, and this is B, this is A. Okay, I will find square of longest side. It is 49. 7 square is 49. Then I will check a square plus b square. A square is 4 square, b square is 5 square, right? 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, and when we add them I get 41. So a square plus b square is not equal to c square. When it is not like this, that means that when longest side square is not equal to this a square plus b square, that means this is not a right angle triangle. What is question number 6? TV screen diagonal. A TV screen is 24. TV screen we know that this is a rectangular screen, right? They are saying a TV screen is 24 inches wide. So this is up, I say 24 inches wide. Okay, this is 24 inches, right? And 18 inches tall. This is 18 inches tall, right? Okay, now they are asking us what is the diagonal measurement. So this is the diagonal measurement, right? If I want to find this diagonal, I know that TV screen is a rectangle, right? And in a rectangle, this angle is always 90 degree, right? So that means this triangle we have is a right angle triangle, right? This is a right angle triangle. So suppose I say now this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, so in this question, instead of taking H, B and P, what I am taking? I am taking AB. What is AB? AB is equal to 18 inches, right? And what is BC? BC is equal to 24 inches, right? And I need to find AC. AC is the diagonal, the longest side of a triangle, and this is a right angle triangle. So we know AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. If you have noticed, I told you all the types of notations we can write here. We can write HPB, we can write ABC. Okay, C is the longest side, H is the longest side. Here AC is the longest side. So AC square is equal to AB square. AB square means 18 square, right? Plus BC square means 24 square, right? What is 18 square? It is 324 plus what is 24 square? 5, 5, 7, 6, right? And what will this be equal to? This will be equal to 900, right? So AC square is 900. That means AC is what? 30, because 900 is equal to 30 square, right? So AC is equal to 30. I hope you are getting it.